Sisters in Christ, an opportunity to be here gathering at Conanan's residence. Today is a great day that God has blessed each one of us, especially the women of Hambil District. We are here to witness the Women's Ministry Leadership Certification Level 2, headed by our Romblon Mission Seventh-day Adventist Women's Department, together with Mrs. Beniva Christy D. Federico, Mrs. Janet A. Ferrera, Ms. Wian Escalago, and Ms. Jonabel P. Naparate.
Good afternoon po sa lahat ng ating mga brethren dito sa Hambil District. Laking pasasalamat ng aking department sa Women's Ministries ng Romblon Mission na kami nabigyan ng pagkakataon na kung saan tayo magkaroon ng Level 2 Leadership Certification sa ating Women's Ministries. I hope that this program will help our women in this district na mas mapalapit pa sa kanilang relasyon sa ating Panginoon at sila ay maging equipped sa paggawa ng mga programs at mga activities na tutulong sa kanila na ma-strengthen ang kanilang faith. Maraming salamat po sa Hambil District Association.
The district are very grateful for these four ladies that God had sent to conduct women's seminar in order to remind and share God's purpose and guidance for His daughters here in Carabao Island, to make difference through women's and share His gospel to the whole world.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon na pinadala dito po ang personnel ng Romblon Adventist Mission sa pangunguna po ni Ma'am Vance Federico sa kanyang department po na Women's Ministry. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa mga lecture at mensahe naming narinig sa ngayong hapon na ang mga lecture naming napakinggan ay sana makabigay sa amin ng tulong sa gawain dito sa Hambil District. So kaya blessed kami nga maraming lecture ang aming narinig at sana'y magamit namin sa araw-araw namin na pamumuhay. So, thank you and God bless.
According to Mrs. Federico, there are high and wonderful purposes for women. That's why, dear women, let us go and serve the Lord, work in His ministry, and be part of His divine will for all of us. I am Nika Pablo, a proud daughter of Christ here in Hambil District. I will go reach my world.